So we have two cases for single flow as well as for double flow, and we are trying to have understanding on orientation of feed nozzle. So depending on the feed nozzle internal details, feed nozzle orientation and tray downcomer direction can be decided. So both things go side by side, orientation of nozzle as well as tray downcomers. Okay, we cannot say okay tray orientation is freezed and based on that only we can orient the nozzle. Both activities go parallelly. Okay, once tray is freezed, then we can orient the nozzle. Once nozzle is freezed with respect to tray, then we cannot change the tray orientation. So this way, this is simple. Small elbow is connected to nozzle and falling on the tray. Okay, this is simplest case. And if we want to change the orientation but still want to fold the feed on tray, we can have this kind of arrangement also. In double pass, we can go for, we have two options. One is this, another one is this. Okay, here the pipe is connected and it is having equal T. One is going this side, another going this side. Here what is happening, the nozzle is here, it is going downwards, then it is getting distributed on this side and this side. So based on the scenario, the nozzle elevation as well as the tray elevations, we can choose between these two configurations. So if you see, this is a normal configuration where this is equal T, single equal T, and still if we are not able to connect it directly, we can go for this kind of arrangement also. This is alternating, very rare case we use because so many elbows are there and vendor will always show some resistance to give this kind of internals, but we have to justify. If we are not able to take it straight, then we can go for this one, but only after taking confirmation from vendor. Then this is another case where there is an elevation difference. Okay, the feed is coming from somewhere and we cannot lower it, and we have limitation while freezing the elevation of trays, then only we go for this kind of scenario. Okay, similarly we have two options here. One is straight down here. If we are not able to go straight outwards, then we can go for angle also. Okay, but all these options we have to take confirmation from vendor first, then only we can plan this thing. So it's all about feed nozzle. So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.